how to connect auto comment on Instagram with ManyChat. So first, go to your account. Next, just click on automation here at the left side, and then just click on new automation here at the top, and then click on start from scratch. Now from here, you need to trigger. Okay, we'll need a trigger here, so just click on plus new trigger, and then choose your channel. So let's just choose Instagram here, and then choose the user comments on your post or reel. Okay, now from here, you need to select whether you're going to use a specific post or reel, or all posts or reel, or your next post or reel. So since we want to let's say I want to reply to every post or reel, just click on all posts and reel, just click on continue, and then what will start your DM automation. So you can choose specific keywords or just any comment. So to make it easier, you just need to, let's just choose any comment here, and then click on continue. But if you want to use specific keywords, you can just include the keywords that you want and then exclude the keywords that you don't want. Okay, next is continue, and then would you like to set a public reply in the feed? So if you said yes, then it would have multiple random replies like this one. So if you click on plus new reply, then you'll have a new random reply here. Then this automation will randomly send this reply, any of the reply here per comment. Okay, so if you just say no, then you won't have any reply in the feed. So since we are looking for an automation to auto reply to comments, so just say yes, and then just click on new replies. The more new replies you have, the more it would look like it doesn't look like an automation. Okay, so next is just click on save. Okay, and then just click on content here, Instagram, and then you can also send them DM, send them a message. So just type in, hey, thank you for the comment, something like that, and then just click on set live, and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.